Hi everyone, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do an unboxing of my latest Chanel haul, and I will also do an impression video. I have here with me the Chanel No.5 Low and also the Chanel No.5 Low On Hand Cream. I believe this is a limited edition. And also the Chanel No.5 the hair mist. One thing that I do nowadays is I really try to avoid taking the bus. I don't drive, so that's out of the question. And finally, I got vaccinated, so I just realized I wanted to give myself some kind of reward for making it through 18 months and counting, walking and riding my bicycle instead of getting on the bus. Anyway, without further ado, let me start with the unboxing. And the first one that I got here with me is this Chanel No.5 hair mist. When you open it, it looks like this. Okay, inside. And then when you check out the bottle, the packaging is a smoky bottle. I'm not entirely sure how to describe this one, but of course it's a classic Chanel bottle. And then right inside you can see a little bit of pinkish color. When you look at it on the side like this, okay, you can almost see that pinkish color. Oh my goodness, why does it smell so good? So this is a hair mist, but of course I believe you can also use it as a perfume, especially for those who are not used to the strong scents. The main note is supposed to be rose, and then there's also jasmine. But for me, it kind of smells flowery and powdery at the same time. But anyway, I'm already in love with this scent. It's so tiny and it fits in my hand, so I like it so much. The next one that I got here with me is, of course, my Chanel No.5 Low. It came in this box. Of course, there was a plastic cover, but I already removed it because I was so excited. So it opens like this, and you can see it says Vaporisateur spray. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Okay, but anyway, this is the Chanel Paris No.5 Low. And this is like an extra packaging on the outside. But when you open it, yeah, it looks like that. Ooh. And then it's like there's an extra covering right here. Oops. It is so clear. There you go. It looks like an envelope like that. So I've actually already sprayed this 2 or 3 times because I couldn't wait, like I've said. And I super love the simplicity as well as the elegance of this bottle. Everything about this is, I believe, so me. I super duper love it. At first glance, it just looks like a clear liquid, but actually there is a little bit of a yellow color. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah. And when you spray it on, oh, do you hear that? That Vaporisateur spray is like that one long straight spray. Okay, so one more time. Like that. It just all the way. One push all the way down, and that's enough. Actually, 2 sprays is enough for me. So when I hear that continuous spray sound coming out of here, it just makes me feel so happy. So first impression of this scent, powdery. It's a fresh and powdery. It's like I've never smelled anything like this from Chanel. Okay. Even the Coco Mademoiselle Low Privé, For instance, it's a totally different scent. Totally different scent. And when I smelled it the very first time, I felt like, oh, this is a scent for me. I'm kind of sad that I only got the 35 ml, but I am definitely going to buy a bigger bottle of this. Definitely the 100 ml bottle next. And the third one, which is also another Chanel No. 5 Low, the hand cream. And I have been curious about this hand cream from Chanel because I like how it looks like. It looks like an egg. It's kind of crazy that it is shaped like this. I believe that this is a limited edition, the Chanel No. 5 Low hand cream. Kind of reminds me of some kind of soap, but anyway, it's shaped like an egg or something. So again, this is a hand and body cream, but I don't think it's a good idea to use this as a body cream because this is quite a small container. This is only 50 ml. So to open, oops, oh my god. What happened? What just happened? Actually, it is not that hard to open. Okay, just a little bit. You just twist a little and it opens right away. Okay, now look at that. So there's a very small opening right here. Anyway, so you just squeeze this a bit like that. And there you go, your hand cream. Oh, creamy. Smells so much like this. But I think this has a more creamy scent to it. These two are a good pair, so you can go out, or before you go out, you can apply this on, and then you can bring this with you and use this whenever or after or right after you wash your hand, especially when you're outside. My issue with this one is I feel like this can easily get scratched. I'm not sure, I have to check if it can get scratched easily, because whenever I put things in my bag, they easily get scratched because I've got some pens and other stuff in there. I might be back in a month or a couple of months or so and give you a more in-depth review of this too. I will let you know if it's gonna be worth it buying this, especially this and this, or not. So when I got these three, I paid more than $200 in Korea. I was able to get this freebie. Okay, and this is actually super nice. Bucket pouch. This can be a makeup pouch, or you can use it for anything. I don't feel like it's a good idea to carry this with me in my bag because this is white and this will definitely get dirty easily, especially, for example, when I'm outside, I'm riding my bicycle, I go to the bathroom and wash my hands and then, you know, pick this up. This might get dirty easily, so I am not planning to do that. So I'm just gonna keep this at home and use this to, like, most likely, like, let's say for example I have this with me, so I'm gonna like put them here, everything. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning to do. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing for more fragrances, skincare, as well as simple living videos in the future. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!